Centuries into the future, humans will have fully developed the Metaverse with biological integrations to the digital worlds. The process of digitization of everything around us has also come to light. However, what humans had not suspected was how an error in code could cause the digital world to not merge properly with the physical world, creating a distortion in everyone's phenotype and genotype, and creatures, humans, and nature are stricken by rare mutations in their genetic code and disease, with the creatures mutating and developing into monster-like creatures. This led to the creation of a new species of biologically inefficient creatures stricken with disease. The biology of some creatures is merged with the remnants of the physical objects there once were, a mesh of distorted forms whose anatomy has been affected by this occurrence. Scientists had been investigating this phenomenon for years and envisioned it with machine learning, yet understood it would not cause harm. Many populations become extinct, with those surviving having augmented abilities in some areas with larger organs, yet also deficiencies in others, creating horrific and creepy looking creatures that are way out of proportion and are seemingly scary. However, the process occurs gradually, and the humans whose genetic code is not mutated must strive to fix the problem and bring reality back to a stable state. Given digital systems have malfunctioned and do not work as well, humans are left with paper and analog materials like colored pencils. Forced to write history in pencil, historians realize the rich potential of colored pencils and use them to include lifelike documentation and depictions of the strange mutations humans in life are encountering, as a way to understand the fundamental flaw in the code. This must be solved through a risky process of fixing and altering the code in a way that causes less damage to the humans solving the issue and heals all life on Earth stricken by this horrible error. Through this process, the surviving humans create a library of the unique mutations as a way to not only document, but prevent future anomalies in the Metaverse. We have gained insights into these new species from the sketchbooks of historians. The forest is lush with mutated wildlife, including oversized These sites are what no evolutionary biologist would have ever imagined. These creatures in pain and facing afflictions must be saved by humankind. Species are pushed to extinction, and only surviving humans and species are bred in populations to increase and come back to abundance. However, civilization has to begin anew and develop new technologies that solve the great error in the metaverse. These have to be more functional and possess a smaller probability of errors of such magnitude. This film was developed in a joint effort between the global environmental protection agencies and National Geographic.